Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your Samsung phone just became twice as smart without you buying a new device, because that's exactly the kind of upgrade Samsung is preparing with One UI 8.5, and trust me, once you hear what's inside, you'll understand why this update is about to change the way you use your phone forever. Today, let's dive deep into the upcoming Samsung One UI 8.5, where Samsung is combining powerful AI, smoother performance, better battery efficiency, a polished display experience, upgraded animations, enhanced camera AI, and a new set of features made specially to improve everyday use. But stay with me till the end, because there's a surprise waiting for all of you who watch the full video. Now, imagine this. Your phone that already feels smart suddenly starts predicting what you want before you even tap the screen. That is the magic of Samsung's upgraded Galaxy AI inside One UI 8.5. The new update is expected to bring smarter on-device translation, faster AI-powered photo editing, more accurate voice commands, real-time summarization, improved note generation, and enhanced AI typing suggestions, making your daily tasks faster, smoother, and more intuitive. But wait, we're just getting warmed up. The display and animation upgrades in One UI 8.5 are designed to make your entire phone feel new again. Samsung is reportedly working on even more fluid animations, improved touch response, a cleaner quick panel, a redesigned lock screen experience, and subtle UI adjustments that make the interface look more premium. And yes, the update is expected to optimize battery life using intelligent power balancing, allowing apps to use less background energy without compromising performance, meaning you get more screen time, fewer overnight battery drains, and overall better efficiency. Now, let's talk about the heart of your device, the performance. One UI 8.5 is being tuned to run even smoother on Samsung's latest chips like Snapdragon and Exynos models, reducing app launch times, delivering better RAM management, and improving multitasking across the entire system. And for camera lovers, Samsung is adding AI-powered enhancement features that improve low-light photos, dynamic range, portrait clarity, and video stabilization, making your shots look more flagship level, even on mid-range phones. And here's where things get interesting. Rumors say Samsung might introduce a brand new AI scene composer, which can automatically arrange photo backgrounds, adjust lighting, or enhance objects with a single tap. But the suspense doesn't stop there. The expected launch of Samsung One UI 8.5 is set around upcoming Galaxy events, most likely aligning with the next S-series device release, which means you could be just weeks away from receiving an update notification that could transform your phone overnight. Now here's the twist you waited for. Those who watch till the end should know that Samsung is reportedly hiding a secret feature in One UI 8.5, an experimental AI wallpaper engine that changes your home screen based on your mood, time of day, and activity. Imagine your wallpaper shifting automatically when you start gaming, when you go outside, or when you plug in your charger. Before we close, let me leave you with this power line. One UI 8.5 isn't just an update. It's Samsung's step into the future of AI-driven smartphones, where your device doesn't just follow your commands, it understands them before you say anything. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And here's your surprise for staying till the last second. In my next video, I'll reveal a hidden One UI 8.5 trick that Samsung hasn't shown publicly yet. So make sure you subscribe because you definitely don't want to miss it.